Hello everyone,
Namaste dosto.
my name is Hardik.
And I am Gabi.
Welcome to the Spicy Masala YouTube channel.
And in today's video, we are exploring Cologne in Germany. We will show you the beautiful famous cathedral that is right behind us at the very moment. And we will also see the famous Hohenzollern Bridge and explore the old town, maybe some museums. Stay with us. Even if 3D replicas are available, the bigger one is 260 euro and the smaller one is 180. Nice, and they look just like the cathedral. Oh, we could purchase some postcards for family. Okay, guys, we are buying postcards, but they have also banknote souvenir with Cologne Cathedral. They have Indian candy, like in gummies.
Yes, thank you
In the
so
shape
much.
of cathedral. We are on our way further.
Yes, and we had purchased small.
Yes, those are our postcards.
Yes, we have tradition now that wherever we go, we buy 3 postcards for our
Family in Poland.
In Poland, yes.
Because to India it's really difficult to send. Anyways, we've been to the treasury. It's quite small, and from there you can go to the rooftop terraces, but we don't really have time for that at the moment. And I've seen footage online. It's not that interesting to to put here our time.
If you want, guys, please comment. So next time we can go upstairs and show you everything.
Yes, Cologne is quite close to us, connection-wise, because we have a lot of connections to here.
Yes, it's easy.
So we can easily come back. If you are interested, if we missed something that you think we should have seen, let us know in the comments. And we will be moving on to the Hohenzollern Bridge right now. Now that's the Hohenzollern Bridge, and it is a very famous bridge because it's important for the railway transit, because there are going rails. It is the only bridge in Cologne that wasn't destroyed during Second World War. However, German army blew it up in 1945 to make it difficult for other armies to reach this
Get
place.
in the city, yeah.
And then only one rail was rebuilt, so now it is standing there. And it's famous also for the love locks that are locked
You're gonna see
on
from
the bridge.
here.
And we
It's
are heading
shining.
there, and we will show you. However, you can see it, yes, straight from here.
Oh.
Hi.
What's the price?
What?
For lock?
6 euro.
Sorry?
6 euro.
6 euro.
Yeah. And the one on the backside, the name,
Oh,
love day, whatever you want. Black or red,
So
what
cute.
you want.
Nice.
We're approaching the Hohenzollern Bridge.
Oh, that's really good, that place.
Not at all. It's like a lock on a lock on a lock on another lock.
Oh, that one is our Amsterdam.
Oh, there's a train. Just like the one we came from. Really nice. And here you see all the locks. So that's the Hohenzollern Bridge. And our next stop is the Old Town. We will be going there right away to show you some interesting museums and maybe
Get
get
some
some
food.
lunch. We are planning to visit the Lindt Chocolate Museum. So guys, that might be a very interesting adventure.
Hopefully.
Yes.
So guys, we finish our bridge trip, and one request, please don't put locks on bridge. Not in full, nowhere.
Yeah, because they destroy so much the architecture and they damage the
It's our history,
places.
don't do that, please. It's nothing gonna change. If you love someone, you love someone, that's it.
We don't promote putting locks.
Please.
By the way, if you don't find our audio quality very good, there is a link in the description box where you can give us a small tip to sponsor a little bit our gear. We do the best we can for you, but you know our pockets are limited. So if you have a spare €1, €2, you may always appreciate our content and sponsor something down there.
We'll be thankful for you. My thing.
You want some?
No. They have written. I like the shoe. I like the shoe, it's nice.
Teraz
14. And it works?
yeah, it works. Okay, come honey, we can choose what we have.
What we can have?
So guys, we found this potato pancakes place here in Germany, in Cologne, and it seems like something worth trying. So we've decided to give it a chance, and
We would like to dine in, but they don't have.
so we
Let's
will
just take
probably
away
go
and that's it.
eat by the river. Can be nice.
It will be more
Let's
better.
choose what we would like to have, and we will tell you how was the flavor.
Seems to be very popular. We hope so.
50, please. Like hot?
Here we go. It was really huge line. Waiting
Yes,
time,
really
but I
huge
hope
line,
it's
and
worth
they are
it.
making it probably fresh as far as
Yeah,
it
it
looks.
smells
We have also some sort of Austrian drink that we found first time here. We want to try so much. It's like a lemonade. So let's go find nice place to sit and review the delicious meal.
Maybe not.
Okay guys, we found nice spot by the river, and with our potato pancakes. I've been told by the seller that they are called something Rabenkuchen here in
Reben
Germany.
Kuchen, Kuchen, something.
Rabenkuchen. If we have any German subscribers, please let us know in the comments if we are pronouncing that correctly. And well, we have one with applesauce, one with honey
Garlic.
chili dip, and
Garlic cream.
yes,
Oh, I can't wait to eat.
yeah. Applesauce is something like a more traditional, I feel, so that's
And,
why I took to try
It
it.
was €4.50 because we take small portion. If you take big, it's $5.50. It's really
And every
affordable.
extra dip is 50 cents.
Try with garlic.
Oh god, guys. They are really fresh, really tasty. Dips is so good.
Crunchy dips are really.
Even this applesauce is so good dip. And they are preparing it there on the spot.
Hot
They
in
have all
front of you.
kitchen and everything, so you can be
And
sure
that's
that
why
it's
it
ready.
take time, because they are cooking in front of you and prepare and just give fresh. It's really nice.
This dip is amazing.
And the best, you just grab cheap,
By the way,
nice.
look at this thickness.
You just take it cheap, nice, and you have nice view. And what you need more?
Just perfect. Okay guys, we've entered the Lindt Chocolate Museum. Here are our tickets. Chocolate.
They have different temperatures.
We will be entering tropical greenhouse with like special maintenance conditions, and they will let us in door by door to not change the climate inside. That's a 60-70 kilo bag. 60 kilo bag.
Ja, das weil ich glaube, du musst mich ja abstellen. Das ist total ernst.
Lindt chocolate, proper Lindt chocolate.
For 15 euro is good, the one piece.
But here, guys, they have really big line because everyone wants to grab a piece and they take time before reloading. So, and that's the real production. Okay, guys, everything is like behind the glass, so there will be a reflection, but it looks really, really nice. Here you can choose your own toppings for the chocolate and order your own chocolate, and it will be ready in 45 minutes. Here is the process of coating the Lindt truffles. Come honey, let's move on. And guys, once you exit, you get extra 3 chocolates per person, which were made and produced here. And you can also enjoy your time here having a cake or coffee at the cafe. Also Lindt. We recommend you the traditional German Schwarzwald cake. But you can take whatever you want because it will be delicious with Lindt chocolate.
And my opinion, don't go inside. If you are maybe boring person, if you would like to.
Rather you are a fun person. If you are a boring
No,
person, don't
rather
go.
if you are boring person, you can enjoy because this
Yeah.
is place for boring peoples. But I can suggest you that 30 euro, which you gonna, no, 15 euro per person, which you gonna spend to go in, is better just go outside. They have
Like after
in
you
museum,
enter,
in
before you buy the
museum,
ticket.
in museum, but inside shop before museum, they have nice shop with this chocolate. Just go buy
All
15
kinds
euros
of-
chocolate and make yourself happy. Don't go
Enjoy
in.
your chocolate. Yeah.
That's it. So that's
Because
our
the museum is basically all information. It's nothing like the popular on TikTok museum of Lindt chocolate, which we were expecting the experience. Nothing
and
like
what
that.
I feel
Nothing
that
nice.
what I
nothing
feel
cool.
what I feel that my manager sent me for some trip to industrial trip to find out how to work more lean
And more nice.
at work and more nice. So don't do that, please. Especially when you are in holidays, don't torture yourself with this.
Exactly.
Okay guys, so now
It's time to wrap up our trip and give you our final recommendations and unrecommendations. Things what to do
Our
and
points.
what not to do
Yes.
in Cologne.
first is easy to get to Central by
Yes,
train.
and that's really great here that wherever you are, it's really easy to get around.
Yes.
Because from almost every place we went and we've been little to south and little to west, you can see the cathedral. And when you see the cathedral, it's basically outside the
Central.
train station. So if you
Or-
are traveling by train, it's really easy, convenient, and you won't get lost.
Or just keep river. River is also the land side kind of.
Yeah, that's also a good point. Second thing, do not believe in the cathedral's website. So, I read online that it is forbidden to take pictures and videos inside the cathedral for commercial use, so like for our YouTube video. And I've also sent an email to the
Get a
support.
permission.
And they told me that cathedral today after 12 o'clock will be closed for tourists.
And surprisingly, we found out that is working.
It was a lie. So please just come here and don't get bothered by any strange information you may find there.
Just go and
because
ask at
most
the
likely-
security.
Yeah, most likely you will get in. It's so big, and yeah, and everyone is allowed to take photos and videos. They don't really care at all. Third thing, we've been to Hohenzollern Bridge.
And there is kind of tradition like everywhere to put love locks, which
do
we are
not
not
encourage you to do that.
encourage it. Please
So
don't do that.
reconsider if you are planning to do that. Reconsider your decisions. There is plenty other things to do around here. Many museums, we missed some of them, but you have, for example, German beer museum. Go there.
Better to
Don't
spend
put
that.
another piece of metal
Yes.
on the bridge.
And make it more heavier.
Yeah,
Fourth point, the best one,
the worst. The biggest disappointment for me.
for me was of course the Chocolate Museum, of course.
It's not worth it to pay the price for the ticket and go there. Better just get to that place and spend all the money in the store. That's the best decision
Not
I think you
all.
can make. All the money that you would plan for the ticket, I mean,
Tickets, yes.
yeah.
Then it's okay.
So that's better option than actually visiting the museum. Museum is really boring. There is
And
like
it looks
literally,
like industrial.
literally what you've seen on our
Tour.
video. That's all the things that are interactive in the museum. Otherwise,
Nothing
there is
else.
only information, so you can leave the bag of cocoa beans and try one piece of chocolate every 5 minutes. You have to wait to get it.
Okay, that one.
Don't go there,
Yeah.
really. Or you
Fifth
can
one.
also spend time in the cafe. They have really nice cakes.
And yeah, cakes and
That might be a really
everything.
good decision.
And behind they have nice view of river, so that could be really nice.
And for the last point, we would like to share with you.
All in all, our experience. English is easy to get, like wherever you go they are speaking nice English, you can
So you don't have
communicate,
to worry about it.
nothing.
You can easily get everything communicating in English.
Yes.
Everybody speaks here English. What before we didn't experience in Germany, we had different expectations.
Yes.
So we are positively surprised, and that's a good thing.
And cards are working everywhere, so you can just pay by your European card if you have, or just carry cash. Everywhere cash is the, I think it's more convenient for Germany.
That's true. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching our video.
Yes,
Please
thank you.
subscribe to our channel,
Like,
comment
share.
with your friends and family, and
See
right
you
now
next.
we are heading to Croatia. So see you in our next vlog.